Hi, and welcome to Pro FBO, Pro MRO for Acumatica. Pro FBO and Pro MRO are embedded add-ons for Acumatica tailored for the aviation and maintenance, repair, and overhaul industries. Today I will be demonstrating how the core return functionality helps facilitate core returns and tracking. The core return functionality automatically creates core fee lines and RMA orders on sales orders for parts designated as core return parts. It also includes an inquiry to make tracking expected core returns quick and easy. In order to utilize the core return functionality with Pro MRO, Pro FBO, first we have to set up the items. We're going to set up the starter 24 volt as a core return item. So first we're going to go to General Settings tab, then go down to Core Charges and find our core item. We're going to select Core Return. Then we're going to select our core charge and enter $50 as our core charge for this item. That's how easy the setup is. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the sales orders and create a sales order so we can show the core return functionality. So I've already created a sales order for our customer, and if we had a project code, we would associate that here. I'm going to add a line to the sales order and select the starter. We're going to select starter 24 volt. Notice when we selected starter, the core return line automatically populated. We're going to enter a quantity of 1 on the starter, and the core return line is also updated to match the quantity on the starter. So now we have a sales order, and we're going to ship this sales order now. We're going to go ahead and confirm the shipment. And once we confirm the shipment, we're going to go ahead and create the invoice. When the invoice is created and released, that is when the core return RMA will be automatically created. So let's release the invoice. And then let's go check out our sales orders again. And we'll notice that here's our sales order that we started and invoiced, and here's the associated RMA. Let's open the RMA and take a look. Right? So here's the RMA with the line for the core return. Once the client returns the core, then they'll get credited the $50. You can easily keep up with what cores you're expecting to be returned by opening up the Open RMA Orders inquiry. Once we open the inquiry, we'll see the list of all of the open RMAs, and then we can click on whichever ones we want to and either send the customer a reminder or process the RMA from here.